Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. If you're passionate about cutting-edge photography gear, whether you're a seasoned professional, a content creator, or an enthusiast, constantly upgrading your setup, then you've probably heard the growing buzz around Nikon's upcoming flagship, the Nikon Z7 III. As the camera industry accelerates into the future, Nikon seems poised to make a powerful comeback in the high-end mirrorless camera market, directly challenging the dominance of Sony and Canon. Let's dive into what makes the Nikon Z7 III a potential game changer and why it's one of the most anticipated cameras of 2025. According to credible industry insiders and consistent leak patterns, the Nikon Z7 III is expected to launch between August and November 2025. While this launch window hasn't been officially confirmed by Nikon, it aligns with their historic release cycles. Expect a strong marketing campaign aimed at professional photographers, landscape shooters, and hybrid creators who demand both power and versatility. Nikon's broader strategy? It's crystal clear. Reclaim territory in the premium full-frame mirrorless camera space by offering a serious alternative to Sony's Alpha and Canon's R series. At the heart of the Z7 III lies a mystery and a lot of excitement. Will Nikon opt for a 61 megapixel sensor like Sony's, or push the envelope with a new 67 megapixel sensor, possibly developed with Tower Semiconductor? This leap in resolution would catapult Nikon beyond competitors in terms of pixel count, image fidelity, and post-processing flexibility. Imagine having that level of detail at your fingertips, perfect for commercial photography, fashion shoots, architecture, and landscape photography where every pixel matters. But resolution isn't everything. The new sensor is also rumored to deliver superior dynamic range and color depth, making the Z7 III ideal for professional workflows, including raw editing, color grading, and HDR production. Some speculate Nikon might stick with the tried and tested 45.7 megapixel sensor from the Z7 II, but the pressure to exceed Sony's Alpha 1II's 50 megapixel stacked BSI CMOS sensor makes an upgrade almost inevitable. This is about more than pixels. It's about giving creators unmatched imaging flexibility. For creators who do more than just shoot stills, Nikon is gearing up for a massive upgrade in video capabilities. The Z7 III is rumored to support 8K at 30 FPS and 4K at 60 FPS, effectively placing it in the hybrid mirrorless camera category. This caters not only to filmmakers and YouTubers, but also to event videographers and cinematic storytellers. And here's the bombshell: internal 10-bit ProRes RAW recording. That's right, no need for external recorders. This level of integration will simplify workflows for professionals shooting high-resolution documentaries, weddings, or run-and-gun travel videos. One of the most significant upgrades is in autofocus technology. The Nikon Z7 III is expected to feature a 493-point face detection AF system enhanced by AI-based subject recognition. That means it could seamlessly track human eyes, animal movement, vehicles, and even flying birds. With rivals like the Sony Alpha 1 II boasting real-time pose detection and subject prediction, Nikon needs to bring its A-game, and from all indications, it will. For sports shooters, wildlife photographers, and dynamic videographers, this could be a true game-changer. Let's talk about speed. The Nikon Z7 III is rumored to support up to 20 frames per second in continuous burst mode. For action photography, wildlife, and sports coverage, this speed, combined with powerful AI tracking autofocus, offers no compromise between resolution and responsiveness. You'll no longer have to choose between sharp images and high-speed capture. This camera promises both. In today's fast-paced world of digital content creation, speed and redundancy are critical. The Z7 III will likely include dual UHS-2 SD card slots, ensuring secure backups for professional shoots. Wi-Fi with 5 GHz support, Bluetooth connectivity, and real-time mobile file transfers are also expected, making the Z7 III not just a camera, but a true smart workflow hub. Perfect for professionals who need to tether to a tablet, stream files to the cloud, or preview shots in real time. True to Nikon's legacy, the Z7 III is expected to feature advanced weather sealing, a tilting touchscreen LCD, and intuitive button placement. Whether you're shooting in rainforests or deserts, snowstorms, or tropical heat, this camera is being designed to endure extreme environments while offering maximum usability. Reliability, portability, and ruggedness all in one sleek, mirrorless body. Battery life can make or break a professional shoot. Nikon's cameras have always had a reputation for strong battery performance, and the Z7 III is expected to continue that trend. For 8K video shoots, high-res bursts, or long wedding sessions, this camera promises efficient heat management and long-lasting performance without thermal throttling, no overheating, no interruptions, just performance. One of Nikon's strongest advantages is its rapidly maturing Z-mount lens ecosystem. From wide-angle primes to telephoto zooms, you now have a complete toolkit for nearly every genre. The Z7 III will support lens firmware updates, better syncing with new autofocus algorithms and sensor readout speeds, unlocking new levels of performance from lenses you already own. That's future-proofing done right. Sony's Alpha 1 II is no slouch with its 50-megapixel stacked sensor, AI Autofocus system, and cinematic video features like sensor shift stabilization and in-camera LUT previews. But Nikon's answer, if all these Z7 III rumors hold true, could bring superior resolution, ProRes RAW internally, and rock-solid battery endurance. In a world where every frame counts, Nikon is aiming to leapfrog the competition. Stay tuned, because this release could redefine what it means to shoot with Nikon in 2025.